Intermittent fasting has gained significant attention in recent years as a popular dietary approach for weight loss, improved health, and longevity. This essay will delve into the benefits of intermittent fasting, shedding light on its potential advantages for overall well-being. 1. Weight loss and fat loss. Intermittent fasting has been shown to be an effective tool for weight management. By restricting the time window for eating, individuals naturally consume fewer calories, leading to a calorie deficit conducive to weight loss. Additionally, intermittent fasting promotes fat loss while preserving lean muscle mass, which is crucial for maintaining metabolic health. 2. Improved metabolic health. Intermittent fasting can enhance various markers of metabolic health, including insulin sensitivity, blood sugar levels, and cholesterol levels. Studies have indicated that intermittent fasting may reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity and lowering blood sugar levels. Moreover, it can lead to a decrease in LDL cholesterol levels, thereby reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. 3. Enhanced brain function. Intermittent fasting has been linked to improved brain function and cognitive health. It stimulates the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports the growth and survival of neurons. By promoting neuroplasticity and reducing inflammation in the brain, intermittent fasting may protect against neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. 4. Increased autophagy. Autophagy is a cellular process that removes damaged or dysfunctional components, promoting cellular renewal and longevity. Intermittent fasting induces autophagy, allowing cells to cleanse themselves of toxins and maintain optimal function. This process is believed to play a role in slowing down the aging process and reducing the risk of age-related diseases. 5. Longevity and disease prevention. Intermittent fasting has been associated with increased lifespan and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. By improving metabolic health, reducing inflammation, and promoting cellular repair mechanisms, intermittent fasting may help prevent conditions such as obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and certain cancers. Furthermore, it has been shown to extend the lifespan of various organisms in animal studies, suggesting its potential for promoting longevity in humans. Intermittent fasting offers a myriad of benefits for overall health and well-being, ranging from weight loss and improved metabolic health to enhanced brain function and increased longevity. While more research is needed to fully understand its mechanisms and long-term effects, the existing evidence supports intermittent fasting as a promising dietary strategy for optimizing health and preventing chronic diseases. Incorporating intermittent fasting into one's lifestyle may hold the key to unlocking a healthier and more vibrant future. This video provides a comprehensive overview of the benefits of intermittent fasting, offering valuable insights for individuals interested in exploring this dietary approach.